Bitcoin is pumping on some positive news about grayscale against the SEC and the ETF that could be coming soon. It's still not approved, and I've also shared over on Twitter. We have seen a lot of minting of US dollar tether. So guys, in today's video, we are going to have a look at this. We are going to have a look at the Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin is at major crossroads right now, so it's very, very important that you pay attention. So let's jump straight into it. Guys, this is a emergency video as Bitcoin is just pumping right now, crazy, and it actually filled the CME gap above us at 27.5k, and this was something we've been talking about in the previous videos as well. And I actually just shared over on Twitter that there was some things going on with the TUSD. Some TUSD was being minted. We saw that on WhaleAlerts, and yeah, crazy. A lot of like almost 200 million US dollar in stablecoins was minted. So I was already questioning, will this be pumped into Bitcoin to drive the price up? Because often when new mints are happening on these stablecoin platforms, we are seeing eventually that the price of Bitcoin is going up. So guys, if you don't follow me over on Twitter, make sure to do so. You can find the link down below in the description. So yeah guys, we did fill the CME gap right now, so that question is out of the game right now. What's happening next, right? So first of all, guys, I'm going to stay a little bit conservative right here, because we did test some major level right here, some major former support as new resistance. But most importantly, and this is what I've been saying in my past videos, we have to look at the stablecoin dominance. Right, and we can see that the US dollar tether is still in this triangle formation, so it goes a little bit down while Bitcoin is going up. That's perfectly fine. That's also what I said in my previous video, right? Bitcoin can go up and this can still look bullish, right? Because we just go to the support, and that's exactly what we did right here. Also with the USDC, we're right now at the support of that bull flag formation. I know we're trading slightly below it, but this eventually can also be sold to trade back in. The most important chart right now, guys, is going to be this chart, and this is the stablecoin dominance, US dollar tether and USDC combined. Why? Because right now we are at massive crossroads. We are seeing actually that we are retesting the former resistance right now. So if Bitcoin is going to dump, if Bitcoin is going to form a top, then it will be at the levels that we are trading right now. If this thing just falls through and just falls below this support right here, so we got kind of an uptrend right here from this rising channel. If we fall below that, well, things are looking extremely bullish for Bitcoin if you'd ask me. But right now I'm still going to be a little bit careful, because this structure is still intact. The falling wedge is still intact. A breakout to the upside is still intact. We'll still trade above that former resistance, which could right now flip into support. So yeah guys, that is just what I'm watching right now, and I'm not getting all too bullish right here with this pump, although it is a nice pump in the Bitcoin price. And we also say it already that on the Whale portal we actually were seeing already some evidence that could support a pump. We got negative funding. The premium index was trading at really low levels right here, so that is also generally bullish. Open interest is going up with this pump. That makes really a lot of sense. So yeah guys, this is basically for me what I'm watching right now with Bitcoin, with this emergency update. If, and that is a big if guys, because Bitcoin is right now at a crossroad. If we do something like this, where we break back into this channel, go to the resistance, I would be actually extremely bullish. That would be very bullish, because Bitcoin would break above the 20-week moving average, 21 weekly EMA, the 200-week moving average, all of these most important key indicators and key levels that are right now in the Bitcoin price. So, but if, as long as we are not doing that, this for me, I just consider a retracement, just a breather, just a bounce from that massive dump we have so far. And so far, I don't see any evidence yet to support that this is really the start of a next major rally. However, like I said, it can be, but I really would like to see this one breaking down before I will draw that conclusion. Also, the USDC, I would like to see a more decisive breakdown right here. And with the US dollar Tether, I also would like to see a more decisive breakdown. So a change in structure, which we haven't seen so far. The structure remains actually the same. Therefore, the analysis or the forecast remains the same as well, because Bitcoin can move within these parameters still when following that forecast that we have been talking about with the stablecoin dominance looking actually bullish. But I'm also going to directly flip into a more bullish standpoint, guys, if we break this uptrending support right here. And if we just lose this rising channel, I would really hope for, of course, I would really hope for this to happen. So I would really love to see Bitcoin just coming down, stablecoin dominance just coming down right here, break down, and see a massive rally in the Bitcoin price. That would be the most preferred scenario, of course. But like I said, until I'm not getting confirmations, I'm going to be a little bit cautious with this price action, because this is really a crossroad where Bitcoin is trading right now. We are at crossroads in the stablecoin dominance, and we are at crossroads in the Bitcoin charts itself, right? So very important. But nevertheless, if this thing breaks back into this falling wedge formation, it is kind of something we did in the past as well. We got a falling wedge right here, break down, break back in, massively bullish. Right here it was as well. We got a falling wedge. I'm not drawing it so beautiful right now, but we got a breakdown, break back in. We got a massive rally. So generally, guys, these patterns, if we break back into this falling wedge formation, generally that is actually quite a bullish sign. So that would actually be a very nice scenario for Bitcoin, and we would have that confirmed in the stablecoin dominance too if that is playing out. Right now we don't have that confirmation yet, so therefore we are going to still be a little bit conservative with this move in Bitcoin. Yeah, guys, if you don't follow me over on Twitter, make sure to do so. I have my affiliate link down below in the description. I'm sharing a lot of information over there, so yeah, really appreciate if you follow me over there. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.